Hey everyone, you won't believe what I discovered on this stray dog today. His small body was crawling with ticks, hiding inside his ears, under his legs, between his paws, and deep within his skin folds. The moment I saw him, I knew he needed urgent help. He was not barking or growling, just sitting there silently suffering, his eyes begging for relief. I quickly put on gloves, set a chemical plate beside me, picked up the tweezer, and started the long process of removing each tick one by one. Some were swollen with blood, huge and disgusting, clinging tightly to his skin like parasites that had claimed ownership. Others were teeny but just as harmful, dug into sensitive spots like the base of his ear or between his toes. Every time I removed one and dropped it into the chemical plate, I felt like I was giving him a teeny piece of peace. His ears were filled with clusters of ticks, so many that it was hard to even see the skin beneath. I had to be gentle, but I could not afford to miss a single one. With each tug, he flinched a little but never resisted. It was like he understood I was trying to help him. His fur was thin and patchy, likely from constant itching and scratching caused by these parasites. As I worked my way down his body, shoulders, spine, legs, belly, I kept discovering more of them, some hidden so deep I had to part the fur multiple times. Under his paws, where his weight pressed constantly, were even more ticks lashed tightly. The chemical smell filled the air, and the metal plate slowly filled with dozens of dead or dying ticks. I kept going without pause, my hands slightly trembling from the intensity of the situation, but my resolves only growing stronger. I checked and rechecked every inch of his body, knowing that even one remaining tick could continue his suffering. I kept whispering to him softly, letting him know he was safe now and that this nightmare was ending. By the time I was done, the plate was nearly full, and the dog finally seemed to relax a little, like a weight had been lifted off his tiny body. This was not just about removing parasites, it was about giving him back a chance to live comfortably, to sleep without pain, to walk without itching, and to exist without suffering. No animal deserved to go through this. This dog did not choose to live on the streets, and he certainly did not deserve this neglect. What he needed was not just medicine, it was kindness, and sometimes kindness looks like sitting in the dirt with gloves on, removing hundreds of ticks with tweezers. Every second of this rescue reminded me why I do what I do, because someone has to care when no one else does. If this story touched your heart even a little, please support this mission. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for my rescues like this. Follow me on TikTok for short updates and real times videos. Join me on Instagram to see behind the scenes moments and daily care routines. And do not forget to follow my Facebook page where I post full stories, rescue, and community updates. Your sports helps me continue helping dogs like him, and maybe, just maybe, together we can create a world where no stray is let suffering alone. Thank you everyone for watching my complete video.